Welcome to Morpheus Trading Group. Today's technical setup is for the S&P 500 index. We recently described that the S&P has formed a new lower low. This previous swing low was supported at about 1,294 on the S&P. And in the recent 6 days of violent selling, we set a new lower low. Yesterday, we held support of the prior day's low. We held support here at about the 1279 mark on the S&P, and now we consider the market to be in deliberation. We're not sure what's going to happen next. We don't know if the market just sells off from here or if we rally or what happens, but we know for the moment there's some deliberation at this 1279 mark. Whenever we get to points where we've had big moves in the market, either a big up move like we had here, and then some deliberation, or a big down move and there's deliberation, it's always a good time to evaluate where things are at and what the next likely course for the market might be. In this case, we see two potential courses of action or moves that the market would likely make. You never know for sure, but certainly we want to have some kind of plan in place. And one move would be a continued rally, or a move, a counter trend move would be a better description, not a rally, but a counter trend move back into the 20 period exponential moving average. So a rally stalling at the 20 EMA, and then the next move continuing the primary trend, a sell-off. The second alternative, and if the market is particularly weak, this is what we would see. This would tend to indicate that there's really a lot of weakness in the market, where you don't even really get a bounce back towards the moving averages. There's more of a sideways action or a sideways movement where you're consolidating at the lows. So right now we know there's kind of a trading range here over the past 3 days. We haven't been able to get above this day's candle, and we've held support at the low of this candle. So we've been going sideways between this red line and this dotted blue line. So the second alternative might be price action, where we chop around in this trading range before resuming the primary trend down. And of course we would look to find support somewhere in the range of this long-term uptrend line and the 200 period moving average, which is in orange. If you found this technical analysis to be helpful, please join us at www.morpheustrading.com. That's morpheustrading.com, where you can sign up for your free membership to receive analysis like this every day. Thank you for joining us today.